Welcome to fairvaluation.com. Achieve valuation and pitch deck with defensible public and private company deals data. Use multiple valuation methods and get the comprehensive valuation report. Access 30K plus industry curated investor data, private deals data, 80K comparable company data, and fully automated valuation calculation and report writing workflow. Let's quickly go through each method and what it tells you. Income-based approach methods. Here, you can choose between one of the three methods based on your stage of your company. First, Method Simplified DCF. This section shows a basic version of the discounted cash flow, where we estimate a company's value using future cash flows, simplified for easier understanding. Second method, Discounted Cash Flow DCF. Here, we dive deeper into the full DCF method, projecting future earnings and discounting them to today's value to find what the company is truly worth. Third method, AI-driven DCF. Our AI OE helps you build financial projections curated to your industry. Irrespective of your background, financial or non-financial, OE smoothly builds industry-specific estimations. Market approach methods. This section explains how a company's value is determined by comparing it with similar businesses in the market. Fourth method, EV revenue multiple. This method values a company based on its total revenue. It's great for high-growth startups or companies with strong sales but low profits. Fifth method, EV/EBITDA multiple. A popular valuation method uses industry benchmarking, and that considers profitability before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. It's widely used in M&A and for comparing companies across industries. Sixth method, price to earnings, PE method. A classic method that values a company based on its earnings. It's commonly used for established, profitable businesses with stable earnings. Seventh method, deals method. This method benchmarks against actual transactions in the industry, making it useful when comparing your business to similar recent deals. Eighth method, Berkus method. Perfect for early-stage startups with no revenue. It assigns value based on factors like strategic relationships with customers, vendors, and investors, competitive landscape, intellectual property, business model, and prototype. Ninth method, VC method. Used by venture capitalists, this method values a startup based on expected exit value and required returns, ideal for high-growth businesses looking for funding. Now, select the methods you want and enter your financials. Our tool will generate a detailed valuation report instantly. Choose your methods and let's start on this journey together.